Dr. Stephen Anthony Raj, Associate Professor in the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. In today's video lecture, I am going to discuss on the importance of mathematics in the concept of automobile designing. So in this discussion, let us talk about the importance of mathematics, like how mathematical modeling is useful in the area of efficient planning, safety, comfortability, and also in cost-effective manufacturing of automobiles. So let us assume we are into an area where a vehicle manufacturing is happening, or let us take a vehicle. Which are the places, which are the areas, which are the concepts in which mathematics is very important in the concept of mathematical designing of a vehicle. So let us take this vehicle. This is a mathematical modeling, I could say. So mathematical modeling is a concept like the mathematical formulas, the mathematical techniques can be applied in the manufacturing of a vehicle. Let us consider the body of the structure of the vehicle. So here you see the concept of aerodynamics is used here. So aerodynamics is very important in a vehicle in order to improve fuel efficiency. So fuel efficiency is very important when you talk about a vehicle, and also you can see the performance of the vehicle. If you see performances of the vehicle is very important, then alone the customer, then alone the industry will grow, because the customer wants a vehicle which is a concept of performance, best efficient performance. And also you can talk about the structural designing. So in mathematics we have a concept called finite element analysis. Finite element analysis is a concept of breaking down complex concepts, complex situations, and mathematically solving those difficulties what we face. And also in the designing of the machine, we can see, in the designing of the automobile, we can see there may be some crucial areas, some complex areas where we are in need of developing the strength, and we have to understand the weight constructions, the weight constraints, which are the areas where more weight is there, and how it has to be stabilized and balanced. These kind of things are there. So in which we can say like designing of this manufacturing of a planned structured automobile can happen with the concept of structural integrity. So that is one of the main point what we have to see. And also when you talk about now modern vehicles, where you can see they show the vehicle is of less weight with more fuel efficiency. Even there mathematics plays a very important role. The main other thing is like stress and strain management. So here also you can see mathematical modeling plays a very important role in different parts of the vehicle. So the stress and strain happens in different parts of the vehicle. You can see from the front wheel to the last wheel. So we can see there are various parts in it. So each one has its own stress and strain. Things are happening here. So we use different mathematical technologies, mathematical models, mathematical ideas to understand how the stress is happening. So by which the stress and strain can be balanced, and also vehicle dynamics. So vehicle dynamics in the sense how the dynamics of a vehicle should be, so that the vehicle is in a stable, in a balanced structure. So and also in suspension design, suspension is very important, because vehicles are of different types. Sports vehicles are there, normal usage vehicles are there, load vehicles are there. So suspension is very important, and mainly in the Indian roads we have to take suspension as a very important parameter while buying vehicles. So customers will be more interested to know the suspension concepts, where even mathematics is very important in the kinematics of suspension. The concept of kinematics of mathematics is used in order to understand the suspension aspects, where the spring and its load bearing capacity, everything is analyzed. And also I could say like further to this, you can say material selection, like where the steels has to be used, where the iron, the aluminium, those things. So the steel and aluminum usage, how it has to be, how the strength has to be balanced, how the thickness of the maybe from the fuel tank to the entire thing, how it should be stabilized. So these things are very important in construction of a body of the vehicle. And also I could say like in manufacturing process, so optimization is very important. Overall, in overall structure, optimization techniques of mathematics is very much important in the designing of the vehicle, because safety is important, and we have to reduce the waste, we have to reduce the cost, unwanted cost which is happening because of the wastage, where if you are not in an optimized manner, wastage can be more. So we have to optimize that, and also I could say we have to efficiently produce a vehicle. So efficiency is very, very important. So cost effective things has to be brought out, because then only the price of the vehicle can be optimized. And this is a very important area where mathematics plays another huge role. So efficiency is very important and safety is important. So in that aspects, mathematics plays a very important role in the designing of the vehicles.